fixing to make something that my grandma used to make me for breakfast all the time. Egg and a whole French toast. Oh, it's good. Hey, y'all, get ready for the rain, but we still got to eat breakfast, so keep on watching. Before we get started on this French toast, we're gonna put this sausage down. Boy, it's looking good. Let me show you a little trick we do here. Throw it down, let it sizzle a second. We're gonna do something a little different here. All right, y'all, we let it sit on that side just a minute. Watch this. Turn it. Okay, see how it's kind of cooked a little bit there? Smash it down. Actually, CJ showed me this technique about 5 years ago, and it still works, actually. All right, y'all. Let this sausage cook a little bit. We'll flip it again in a minute. First, we're gonna break a couple eggs, chicken eggs. People all say, you always say chicken eggs. Yes, I do. When we were raising up, my grandma had chickens, turkey, guineas, and everything, ducks. We're gonna stir these 2 eggs up a little bit. Drop us a little bit of milk in here. And you can use cream. Actually, you can use the creamer you put in your coffee, the liquid kind. Oh, that makes it good. We're gonna put a little bit of this sweet maple in here. Put a good bit, y'all, because it's gonna be a lot more milk and stuff going in here. I might add a little more milk and one more egg. Y'all growing up, we ate this all the time. Then we put grandma and them started putting an egg in it. Oh, that was good. Then we put egg and bacon in it. I made it every kind of way you could think of. And don't never forget your vanilla. You got to put exactly this much and a little more and just a tad and a half. Okay, that's it. All right, y'all, we got this happening here. Let's do this. We're gonna get this bread out and I'm gonna show y'all how we're gonna do it. But before we do that, I gotta turn this sausage over. All right, y'all, got this bread. Where my little doodaddy? Here we go. Now, you can use whatever you got. This is what I got today. Don't throw this away, save that. You gotta make sure you get it in the middle. I'm using this Texas toast right here, but you can use anything you want. This is what I got, and this is what I like. A lot of times we use regular white bread, but hey, come on over here, let's throw it on. All right, y'all, we got it happening now. Got the fire on real low, y'all, low as it'll go. Got it all mixed, ready to go. Let's start dropping it in. Look at here, drop and flop. All right, y'all, got the eggs going in. I got all this on real low. You want it low. All right, y'all, we got all the eggs in here, got the tops cooking. Hey, I got a great idea. Watch this, y'all. Get this sweet maple seasoning. Comes out quick, so y'all got to do it slowly. That's just going to be a good topper on there. All right, y'all, we're going to need a few minutes here, and then we're going to come back and flip them. I forgot the butter, y'all. I do this all the time, mess up. We're gonna go around with a little butter right here, melt it on here. Hey, sometimes you just mess up, just continue on because somebody's behind you ready to eat. All right, y'all, we're fixing to flip this toast. I think it's just about ready. Take your time. Oh, look at there. Purdy, purdy. See the color coming out here? That's the way I like it. Let these sit a few more minutes, and I'm gonna get a plate. All right, y'all, we're gonna get it all plated up. We're gonna bring it over here and we're gonna still put some more stuff on it now. We're gonna use some of this sweet maple. Oh, it's so good. And we're gonna use some maple syrup on it. And it's gonna bring out the sweetness, and this got sweetness in it. A lot of times you put sugar in the mix, but we didn't do it this time. All right, y'all hear this rain? It's raining, but it's still time to eat. Now, when you put the egg and the maple syrup all together, it changes the taste of this, and it is really good. This is how my grandma made it, and it's good that way. Don't change nothing. Now, you can change something if you want to, but it's raining. We got to hurry up, eat this, and get out of here. All right.
Tonight,